All right, welcome to another edition of Tipton TV. Today we are working on 2014 Camaro SS. We are removing these hideous seats and installing these bad boys. So as you can see, we already got one out. We're gonna show you the other side as we get going. It's my famous sidekick, JT. All right. We're gonna need a T50 start key. Sweet. Alright. What we got next? You gotta push it up and no, that this way. Okay, let's see. Yeah. There you go. And she's out. Make sure you get this clip so we can on film. Okay, hold on. Give me a second. Yeah. Okay. All right, get your fat head. This right here. And just wiggle that out. That's it. So we'll be back. All right, so back seat.
Usually
really simple.
Have some kind of plastic clip, and you just kind of give it a good.
All right, better look at the bolts. They are here.
Yes.
Here, here, and here. To pull the bottom piece out, it's just those clips right there. And then you push it down on these rails and it slides right out. Yeah, we didn't know, but y'all didn't see that, so. All right, that bolt is a 18. Yeah, that's gonna be good. All the way though. And we should be able to just pull it out. Yep. This is what we put in there, black leather. It's a little dirty, don't judge it, I'll clean it later.
Alright, bring it on in here.
Get some of these wires out the way. And now you just do everything in reverse. You don't really have to see this, but back is up. I will show you how to clip the bottom piece in. Running out of light, so this is the last step we're gonna do tonight. This piece right here is what clips on that rail. All you gotta do is line it up, snap it in, snap the front end, you good to go.
Gotta get them seatbelts through there.
Yeah, I know.
You got a professional light.
Yeah, I know. Oh, in the wrong place. Ouch.
Got the nail.
Yeah, I see.
Why are they not going through?
I don't know.
Put it back out because you ain't hitting the hole.
Yeah.
There you go. You ain't got them. You ain't good. Oh, okay. There we go.
Cool. It's done.
All right.
Okay, so today got a little more sunlight. Gonna finish up. If the inside of the car looks a little different, I did go ahead and spray paint it black. It's still showing up a little gray on here, but I did paint it black. Changed the headliner black. Can't really see that, but that'll be for another video for another day. So we're gonna get started. So here and here are where these little hooks go. So you're just gonna hook that on, and then the back is where the bolts go, which are here and here, which are the T50s. So try to get on camera for this. I'm by myself today, so you know, we'll see. First thing we want to do is put the fish back in. That's connected. Try my best to get you guys in on this. Hold on. We are in there. You've got one hole, but on the bottom you have 2 holes. So the little knot that goes into the first hole, you put the screw in the second hole. Remember, this is a T50. Same thing on this side, just make sure the notch and screw hole are lined up. Alright, so we got a little bit better light on the driver's side. This is what I was telling you about the hooks. Well, we did have better light. You can see, just gonna lift the seat up a little bit, hook those in. Trying to see if I can get it on camera for you, but again, working by myself. And we are in there. Gonna have to connect the battery back so I can slide the seat up. Oh yeah, I don't know if I mentioned it in the beginning, but just connect the battery. They don't have to worry about airbags. Same process as before. Make sure everything lines up properly. Connect your bolts. It should be back right. There you have it, people. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. If you got any helpful tips, be glad to hear about it. Till next time.